All right, so I'm going to demonstrate a canalplasty here on the screen. I'm a little over halfway done. I'm going to point out some of the anatomy here. The light. Zoom in. Maybe as good as we get there. So I've already started. I'm about halfway done with the canalplasty. So spina Henle was right here. I've already taken that down. This is the tympanomastoid suture line right here. What's left of it, tympanosquamous suture line right here. So the goal of a canalplasty is to expose the entire eardrum. You want to be able to see the annulus all the way around when you're done, especially that anterior part that's hidden by the anterior bulge. When I'm going to start working here. So I usually start with a 3-course diamond and usually finish with a 3-course diamond. Occasionally I have to go down to a 2 if it's really tight. When you think about like the safe areas in a canalplasty, inferior is safe, superior is safe. Facial nerve and chordae tympani nerve are going to be posterior. So if you get pretty aggressive there, those will be at risk, especially from thermal injury from the diamond burr. And then the TMJ joint is anteriorly here. So I start by making an inferior trough until I can see the annulus down low, then go superior, take down the tympanosquamous suture. And you really want to make this like a cone shape. So you want the lateral part to be very wide and just to slightly get narrower as it goes down. Taking down the tympanomastoid suture. All right, so we have a nice funnel here. And the last part is going to be the anterior, so we can expose that anterior annulus. So sometimes you can make this look like a Mickey Mouse ears, kind of one down low and one up high. And then the area between those, you're going to connect at the very end. If you do get into the TMJ joint, it's not the end of the world. You can reconstruct that with some cartilage, harvest some auricular cartilage and pop it in there to reconstruct the bony defect. And sometimes you can see like a little pink as you get close to it. I've removed all the soft tissue here, but if there's soft tissue with your skin flaps, you can protect those with some foil from a suture pack. It will protect you from drilling and getting them caught up in your drill bit. All right, got a little bit more here. All right. That's it.